Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? So today I'm going to show you how to install your hair topper from UniWigs and put on this halo wire and do some adjustment of the part if you want to learn how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out that halo wire that came with your hair topper, and we're going to find the clip on the end, put it right through that little loop there on the inside of your hair topper. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. It also has the 4 pressure-sensitive combs on the inside. Now, the first thing I do before putting my hair topper on is I prep my bio hair. And for me, that is just combing it through and having it lay down flat. So there's that mono front with the free parting. So that is going to be our demonstration today, showing how you can change that part around with some heat. So here is how I put it on. I put it around my neck. There's where you can adjust that halo wire if you need to. And once I have her where I like, I flip it up. I push my halo wire right behind my ears and across the side of my hair. And again, you can adjust this as needed. I'm going to tighten it just slightly. Okay, so then what we do is we're going to line up the front of the hair topper with our natural hairline in front. And to fix the back with that wire, I take my halo wire, and what I do is I flip up my bio hair and put that right at the nape of my neck. And also you could add a clip or a small bun if you wanted to have that feel more secure, but for me, this works just fine. And what I'm going to show you next is when the hair topper comes, it's going to come with a middle part, and that is easily changeable with some heat. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate for you today. I've already been messing around with the part slightly, but we're going to add some heat protector and get our hair dryer out, and we're going to get this part to kind of move over to the side a little bit. Okay, as you can see, that part is moving over quite nicely, but we're going to go ahead and add a little more heat. Okay guys, so that's it. My UniTopper Courtney upgraded mono human hair, 14 inches, and the 210 Truffle brown. I love the hair quality, how easy it is to style, that mono parting space, and having that secure band. The combs are comfortable and secure. I've had a great experience with it. Thanks guys.